Hi friends, welcome back to Credible, and today we'll make eggshell in SolidWorks. First of all, we'll model it in SolidWorks 2020, and then we'll render it in Keyshot 9. I hope you like it, and here we'll be using some important features like revolve, surface offset, and very important feature body delete. So let's go to new and select part and press OK, and now we are in SolidWorks interface. First of all, I'll change my background to plain white and I'll select my units to mmgs. Next I'll go to, let's say, front plane, and I'll select sketch, and I'll go to line, I'll select center line, and I'll make a center line. Next I'll go to spline, I'll select style spline. Remember, we are making a sketch for revolve command, so we'll make basic sketch, right? This line will be horizontal, this line will also be horizontal, and now we'll give them suitable dimensions. The overall height of this egg will be, let's say, 87 mm, and this dimension from this point, in fact this whole line, it will be 20 mm, and this will also be 20 mm, right? And next this dimension from this point to this line, it will be 45 mm, and the dimension from this point to this origin from vertical side, it will be 39 mm, and next the dimension from here to here, it will be, let's say, 38 mm. I have already calculated these, and the dimension from this point to this point, in fact the dimension from this point to this point from the vertical side, it will be, let's say, 18 mm. And now, as you can see, sketch is turned into black, which means sketch is fully defined. Next I'll go to features, I'll go to, let's say, revolve boss, and I select this center line, and I'll press OK. So the basic shell is done, but if I select this section view, and it is showing that this shell is solid from the inside. So I'll use this shell command. I'll go to shell, and let's say I select a thickness of 1 mm, and I select this body, and I'll press OK. But it is showing that you cannot remove all faces from the body. Please check the faces with faces to move. Here it is not creating shell, so we'll make this shell using, let's say, surface offset feature, right? We'll go to surface, and let's say we'll go to offset surface. We'll make offset. We'll select this surface, and let's say we'll we'll change it to 1 mm, right? And remember, it is a surface offset, and let's say if I select if I change my surface offset to, let's say, 0, so it is showing that you are copying a surface, right? Because there is no gap, right? So I'll press OK, right? And it is showing that now we have one solid body and one surface body, right? The surface body is surface offset, and the solid body is revolve, as you can see from here, right? Next I'll go to, let's say, insert. I'll go to features, and I'll go to, let's say, delete body, right? We'll delete this solid body because we don't need this solid body. We can't make shell, and I'll select this revolve, right, this solid body, and I'll press OK, right? Now we have only one surface body, one surface offset, as you can see from here, right? The solid body is gone, and we have created this surface body from that solid body, and we deleted this solid body. We don't need this solid body because we can't make shell, right? So it's a very important feature, right? Now I don't need this net surface because it is already one surface. And I'll go to thicken, just cancel it, go to section, and as you can see that it is a surface body, right? So we have to give it a suitable thickness. I'll go to thicken, and I'll make a thickness of, let's say, 1 mm. Just select this body, and let's say I set 1 mm, and it is showing outside, as you can see, thickness from this outside. This will be half thickness from outside and half from inside, that is both sides, and this will be inside, right? I think it's better to select this both sides, and we'll select OK. And if I go to section view, and now it is showing that a thickness of 1 mm. I think just change it to 0.5, just change it to 0.5 and press OK. So as you can see, the shell feature is done using this surface offset feature. And next, another very important command, if I go to thicken option and I go to edit feature, and I select this option, create solid from enclosed volume, and I select OK. If I go to a section, and now it this surface body is converted into solid body, right? Just cancel it, go to thicken option again, and just uncheck it and press OK. So the basic shell is done, and now I'll go to I'll go to Keyshot, and I'll make some basic rendering. I'll go to insert, in fact I'll go to tools, I'll go to Keyshot, and I'll go to send to Keyshot. This is Keyshot add-in which I'm using. It will take some time to open, remember, depending upon your PC. And so we are in Keyshot interface, just cancel it, and let's say I'll go to environment, and I'll go to lighting, and in fact go to background, and I'll select a plain white background, right? Let's say I'll go to this this appearance or this material, and I select this to my body, and you can create you can apply many materials on this, but I select this because I have already rendered this with this material. You can apply some colors to this body, some textures, environment, and backgrounds, right? Next I'll go to, let's say, image, and I'll go to resolution, and I'll select a resolution to 1280 by 720. And next let's say I'll go to perspective, and I'll make a perspective, let's say, I think it's fine. Next I'll go to render, and I'll go to options, and I'll change it to 1024, so it will be a time taking rendering. And I'll go to output, and I use usually 10,000 dpi, and let's say I'll change my location to desktop, and I'll select OK. In fact to desktop, eggshell, and I'll press OK, right? Next I'll check this render box, and it will calculate the rendering. It's a time taking process, so I'll fast forward it. So we are done with this time taking rendering, and press OK. Just cancel it, and now I'll go to let's say my desktop, and now the question arises that why did I choose this revolve. I can create this from surface directly. If I create this from surface revolve directly, I can't choose this option, body delete. It's a very important feature. For example, if I'm using SolidWorks, and I use solid modeling, and I have to change it to, let's say, surface. So I can use surface offset, and I'll use body delete, and then I'll delete my solid body, right? So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like it, and if you have any questions, any queries related to this tutorial or any other software, in fact, or any other tutorial, you can ask in comment section. I hope you like it, and please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.